Elevate your turkey from good to extraordinary with this awesome brine recipe. A brine is a wet form of a cure, which is how they make bacon so delicious. The science of mixing sugar and salt allows the meat to suck up all the flavors that you infuse into the brine. Also, it denatures the protein of the meat, allowing it to cook more juicy, even juicier. More juicily? Regardless the proper grammar, your bird will benefit from this tasty concoction. Here are the simple ingredients for the brine. Pour water into a pot. Add brown sugar, kosher salt, a head of garlic, chopped celery, bay leaves, black peppercorns, star anise, chili flakes, coriander seeds, thyme, sage, Italian parsley, and rosemary. Bring that puppy to a boil. Then turn off the heat and stir in the ice cubes to chill the brine down. This will allow you to do your brine right away rather than waiting for it to cool down. Submerge the turkey all the way into the brine. And use a couple of plates to weight it down. When the brine is finished, after about 24 hours, take it out and place it on a roasting rack. Strain the vegetables and the herbs from the brine. Throw in some roughly chopped onions and carrots for the aromatics while it roasts. Stuff the bird with the veggies and the herbs from the brine. Add a couple of shallots for good measure. Massage the bird with some butter. Don't forget to truss the legs. Pour some water or chicken stock into the pan so you don't scorch the bejesus out of your veggies. Into the oven at 250 degrees for 3 hours or until the temperature of the bird is internally 160 degrees. Pull the turkey out and let it rest. It's had a long journey to get here. It will carry over cooked while resting if you cover it with foil, and actually the temperature will rise to about 165 degrees, and that's perfect for serving. Now let's carve into your bird. Look how juicy this is. You can even hear how juicy it is. For a step-by-step on how to carve a whole turkey, or any poultry for that matter, check out my video here, and the link is in the description. Now go get cooking.